Buying a home in 2025? Here's something to consider. Squirrels are not your friend. Squirrels can cause significant damage to homes primarily by chewing on wires, tearing up insulation, and creating holes to the exterior of your home. They can also lead to fire hazard, reduction in insulation efficiency, and potential structural damage. They can also create nests, contaminating insulation with droppings and urine, and can spread disease. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, hey, Jesse, you're overreacting, but that's not the case because they do create holes in siding, soffits, eaves, roof lines, damages to shingles, gutters, and downspouts. Keep in mind, the shingles are very important. They cause a little hole that it might be smaller than a nickel, but it can cost thousands of dollars in water damage. Some of the interiors, there's of course interiors. I can't talk anymore. Is that they start chewing on your wiring, security system, phone lines, internet. You know that's important, and also chewing on woods, drywalls. They can also contaminate with insulation and walls with droppings and urines. And by this, they can also cause potential issues with spread of disease. Squirrels carry a lot of disease, and it can affect you and your family. How do you prevent this? Seal every entry point. Trim trees. By trim trees, we mean 6 to 8 feet. Squirrels are little ninjas and they jump that amount to get into your home. Use use squirrel-proof bird feeders. Remove attractions as far as garbage, food source, and contact a professional. Still think we're overreacting? There's an article that we'll place right over here, and that according to WCPO 9 in Cincinnati, a squirrel cost $1,000 in car damage. Hopefully this helps. Rosa and I bring more than 15 years of combined experience in new home construction and real estate, proudly serving San Antonio communities. Our deep industry knowledge and dedication to helping you and countless families successfully navigate the home buying process and selling process across the city. Whether you're building from the ground up or searching for your dream home, Rosa and I are your trusted experts committed to making your real estate journey seamlessly and rewarding. Okay, doesn't it seem that the algorithm is following you? That's not the case. When something's important to you, like real estate, that's why you're watching this video. Similar to when you purchased your first car. Did you notice that everyone was driving your same car? That's because when something's important to you, like real estate, that's why you're watching this video. You become hyper aware of all things real estate because there's something in the back of your brain that becomes hyper aware of all things real estate as far as for sale signs, new home builder signs, real estate cards, uh, people talking about real estate as you're checking out of HEB. So, if you found this video informative and you have friends, family members, and your cousin's best friend or best friend's next door neighbor's uh, bartender, that ask one of these two questions, I've always wondered what my home is worth. And I've always wanted to purchase a home, but I don't know where to start. Give them my name. Drop my name to the cowboy hat so I can give them the same informational service they provided to you. Deal? Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And as always, are you ready to make a move? Send us a DM. Thank you. Bye.